Hi Don, welcome. The voice of the spirit whisperer. Um, I am an energy reader, and I don't post often because I only go by strong downloads that I'm getting for divine beings that is stepping into the emperor, high priestess, and high priestess energies. So the specific channeling was for divine masculine, I think, empress. I am up in the mountains, natural vibes, and I saw a locus of like a whole group of caterpillars, but it was so ginormous. It had this beautiful colors, blue, yellow, red, huge, almost like thick as a cigar, if I can put it that way, and the length is ginormous, and they are very beautiful, and they're just eating on this specific tree. They eat the leaves, and as they eat the leaves, they grow and they get this big body, they get this long, tall form. And then I googled and searched what type of worm this is, and it happens to be Mopane worms that we will only find the other side in the south, I think so. And then I thought that, but actually the caterpillars that I saw was actually going to be butterflies, but then I find out that it's moths, emperor moths, which is very huge moths, and they are going through a stage where they are almost going through to the cocoon stage, and then after that they will rebirth as a moth, emperor moth or butterfly. But specifically the emperor moths, and I went to go and look up the spiritual meaning of an emperor moth. That's me. I like to do research and find a link. And there's actually a spiritual meaning behind the emperor moth. It signifies growth in difficult uncertainties and uncomfortable situations. There's growth is happening, and it could be a group of masculines that is slowly but surely starting to step into their divinity, because as the other half of the masculine, we do not chase, we did not look back, we went forward on our journeys, we stayed true to the journey, we committed no matter what, we always look forward and find a way through, because we know why we're here, and we know that the only way is forward, and whatsoever is for us, it will come. No, we don't have to get into your masculine. I think masculines do that. We ladies, ladies do not chase, ladies attract, that's how you also know, ladies, when something do come, it's real, it's true. Yeah, so the message is for masculines who's waking up. You could be seeing 555, 1010, 444. Birds could be significant. A bird's nest could be significant. Bird feeding little ones. And then hummingbird. So it's basically saying that you are getting ready to step into your working mode as a emperor, as an emperor. As a divine masculine, you're busy stepping into your emperor mode, so which you're going to do the works that you're being called to do. See?